Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? It's a very good time, my brother, for Stellar XLM holder, because, my brother, this time Stellar XLM completely on the trending. And last, you can see just in only last 7 days, 9.62%, my friends, the price will be increasing now. So it's a profit time. And last 10 days of every month, my brother, completely coin will move upward now. But just in all the holders are hold it. So hold it, don't sell it, because short term investor, my friends, they are starting holding in those days. So therefore Stellar XLM is completely moving upward now. Every coin is starting moving upward now. All craft from market is pumps up and go in the moon now. So therefore, my friend, Stellar XLM is also moving upward now. But in last 24 hours, my brother, all crypto market is jumps down. So therefore, you can see here Stellar XLM is also. And last 1 hour today is very good day again now, my brother, because you can see here 0.35%. They will moving upward now. So congratulations, my brother. So this time Stellar XLM will be again moving upward now. Congratulations. Alright, my brother, if we just only check out the price, so 0.25 USD dollar is the latest price of Stellar XLM. And we need to check out, my friend, the chart results. So this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to this time the coin is in the profit, but in last 24 hours they were very badly dumped down. But congratulations, my brothers, to this time you can see here they also get a profit now. And I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will move upwards. So kindly, my brother, please hold it. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a profit. Absolutely, they will give you a profit, but please don't miss this chance and take a good profit, please. Alright, my brothers, please, I just want to tell you, my friend, something about the giveaway. The giveaway is coming soon, so kindly, if you want to participate, so just only, my friend, click the like button, and also press the bell subscribe, and also press the bell icon for videos notification, because every 6 channel will guide you, will notify you the big updates. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.